Good morning. It's Wednesday, November 4th, 2020. Let's go ahead and go through slides really fast. For math, we have a couple of videos for you. This one just reviews rounding and using rounding to solve math problems. All right. Your problem set, this needs to be as much as you can do in 10 minutes. If you don't finish all of the problems in 10 minutes, that's okay. It just means that we need to practice more on this concept of rounding and solving problems using subtraction. All right, once you finish those 10 minutes, you can go ahead and press the X and do your exit ticket. It is graded, so I need you to complete these problems. And then you're going to do Zearn. This is the last one that we have in Module 2. So you should be completing Lesson 21 in Zearn, and you'll know that you are done with Mission 2 when it says Mission 3, Lesson 1. Do not go on to Lesson 1 in Module 3, please. Once you're done with Zearn, you're done with math. You can go ahead and take a break. And then you can move on to language. Today we're doing Coyote's advice to his pups. This should be a link to the story right here if you don't have your book. If you do have your book, it's on page 17. It's talking about the narrator's point of view versus the reader's point of view. Who is telling the story, Coyote's advice to his pups? Who do you think is telling the story based on the title and what you read in the story? Then we're gonna think about this. What information do you as a reader have? Because you already read Rabbit and Coyote. What adds, or what do you know that adds to you reading Coyote's advice to his pups? Please answer those in complete sentences. Then you're going to work on your fairy tale. Today you get to begin writing. This is your first paragraph, which is the beginning of the story. What's happening at the very beginning of the story? If your big bad wolf, is he waking up and realizing that he's hungry? Let me know. You need to write this in your composition notebook, please, if you have it. If you don't, that's the only reason you should be typing here, okay? You can go back to your graphic organizer to look at what you wrote in beginning to get you some ideas. And you can even start with Once Upon a Time. A lot of fairy tales start with Once Upon a Time. That's perfectly fine. Then you're going to take a break, get some lunch, go outside, play for a little bit, and then come back for our read aloud at 12:50. If you'd like to join me, click on the mushroom. If you'd like to read along with the video because you can't make the live reading, you can click here. Please make sure you're doing your word wizard. Then we have specials today. Library, 2 things for PE. I thought you'd really like this one, so I hope it's fun. And then you need to practice typing. You guys are the generation of electronics. So you need to practice typing as well as with this hybrid model. It's very important that you're able to type on the slides. So you need to practice your typing, please. And the instructions are right there. And then you're going to have an exit ticket. This is because it is Wednesday. We always have an exit ticket Wednesday just to kind of gauge where you're at in the middle of the week. So let me know if you have any questions. I'm always available via Google Classroom and my email if you do have any questions during the day. I'm always willing to help. Please do remember that I am teaching in class though, so if I don't answer right away, I will try to get to you as fast as I can. Have a great day.